Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm doing a rabbit care routine that I do every single day. I wanted to do this because I had no idea what to film, so I just decided to do this. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is I would head back, and me and my brother take turns doing this. So basically one day he would do the food, and then the same day I'll do water, and then we'll switch. I'll do food and he'll do water. So basically I already filled the water, so I would show you what I would do when I do the waters. So first thing I would do is unlatch this. I would put that up there and grab the water, and then I would take it back here to the back of my house. Alright, let's walk back here. Alright, then I would unscrew the top and turn the faucet off. Then I would fill it up and put the cap back on. And take it back. Alright, since we're back, so basically what I would do is we drilled a hole right here into the condo that we had made ourselves. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so this is a little, difficult to do one-handed. Alright, then we'll latch this back on, and there you go. I would usually, all of the bottles already did that. Then I'm going to show you how I do the food. Okay, I'm a little freaked out because on my porch I see that, and I'm pretty sure I gave this to my mom. Apparently, I guess my dad put that there. Anyways, I have one of these passcode doors, so I'm gonna put in my passcode. Alright. And then the rabbit food is over here. We currently do have this is some of the babies because the mommy had babies. So Tiny, what are you guys eating? But then I would usually fill up a little bit of this bag with the food. And this food is from Walmart, no promo, not sponsored. Take it back there and go back to the condo. Just put that on the ground. And then we have these really cool latches that you have to get them perfect in order to open them. The condo is a little bit dirty, but we usually fill these up. So I got my cup of food. This bowl, if it has poo in it, I would usually dump some of the poo out and then put the food in there. Let's close it. Then we gotta latch them back up. And then occasionally I will get them some carrot or apple. But basically, if you don't want to feed so much of carrot or apple or even other types of foods, you just want to give them in moderation because they might be a little bit too sweet, and sometimes too much is not good for them, but we do give them pellets. This is one of our oldest rabbits. This is Mom Bunny. This is my mom's rabbit. He's almost 2 years old. He's one of my favorites. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this almost 5-minute long video. I know it's very short, but it's nice, short and sweet. And I appreciate you guys for being here. We're almost at 30 subscribers. I appreciate it. Please like, share, and comment, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like button, and you also want to comment what you want to see next. But thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting and loving my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!